Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to download a product research report on eBay using Terapeak. Terapeak used to be a different company. Now it's all been integrated within Amazon ecosystem, so we can just download the report directly from eBay. But there are a few drawbacks. You can't download a CSV or Excel report directly from eBay. They don't have that option. But what you can do, you can copy the content and you can paste it on Excel. Let me show you how to do that. Let's jump back to the screen. So once you have logged in, you have to go to research and click on product research. And from here, you can either if you have a barcode or UPC code or EN number, whatever you have, you can paste it over here, or you can just use the word as well. So I'm just going to type in G-Shock. It will auto-populate the details and just going to select all categories. And from here, you can select the time frame, basically. So you can go up to 2 years. So I'm just going to get 2 years and click on research. So that will show the full trend. You can see it's the trend is going down and the old side as well. But the thing is that there is no option to download this report. So that's something, eBay doesn't have it at the moment. But what you can do, if you can scroll down, always change this to 50. 50 is the maximum. By default, it always stays at 10 or 20. So you need to change it to 50. So it says only one page. So you can just copy this full page from here. We only need from here. So you can just copy like this. It's not the best solution, but they don't have an option to download. So we have to copy and paste and go to the Excel sheet. In this case, we are using Google Sheets. And you can just paste it here like this. So you have the full report now on an Excel, you see. But there's no image. You just have to tidy up a little bit. Apart from that, you have the full sales report with the item as well. So this is how you do it on eBay. Thanks a lot for watching.